Sell the techs again. All right, we'll see what happens. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, my Benzinga family. How is everybody? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Happy Monday. So we are, BTX is one of the stocks that's on our radar. Stock is up ridiculously again. Pretty quiet morning. I slapped a little BTX bid in. If we go down $10 off the opening, we're looking at a little Myrna. If we spike down $3.
Oh, here, David, we're going to need to get your screen up real quick.
Oh, there we go. Sorry about that.
Oh, good.
Do it. Let me know when we're up there.
Beautiful. We are good.
And we'll start over.
Good to go.
All right. So BTX is the stock moving the most this morning. We're going to keep our eyes on this one. I don't think we're going to get a giant pullback off the opening. It's a one-sided trade. We can't short it. So we bought the little order down at 62 and change, but we might come up from that. Let's see what it does in the first couple of minutes of the day. This thing, look at this early, guys and gals, right? We were looking at getting in this down on our 200 EMA at about 61.50, and it missed it by about 50 cents, up $10 from there. There is not a heck of a lot going on anywhere else. Everything's pretty quiet. I slapped a little bit in Myrna. If it goes down $4 from here, keeping our eyes on that one, if I can ever get it up there. You know, Myrna above 183 is good. We're watching gold and silver today. See if these things set up for trends. AGQ is the ETF for silver. So we're looking at this one. We got a bid down if we pull back quickly down to our 65 EMA. Overstock we're watching this morning. Again, Overstock trades a lot with Bitcoin. Their earnings came out. They were pretty good. We got a bid down at 80 and change if we spike down $3. And good old GameStop. Yeah, we're going to talk about UPS. It is getting a little stretched. It got the upgrade this morning. GameStop was down at that 170 level. So I didn't want to jump into UPS on Friday, but today it got an upgrade. So at some point today, if we keep going up from here, I'm going to look to do a little something on the short side. Because the upgrade could be, you know, the last bastion up here. So we'll see what happens. We got some resistance at 209. Again, I'm not running in the morning. Let's see what happens. 209.15 is a little resistance on the opening, but I'm more likely going to look to buy some puts in this or sell upside calls if we keep going up from here. Today could be the day. OCGN, let's take a look. That's another hot one, right? All right, we're coming in a little bit. Yeah, so we got what? 1360 and then 13. All right, let's try a little at 13, and if it holds, we can add to it down there. We get a nice pullback in OCGN. 1360 is the first little spot. Always in the morning, guys, I'm doing small size. Get to some of these trades, we could always run in and add to it. So everything is small in the morning. Watch 1360 for a hold, but definitely 13. We'll try a little bit. Myrna, what happened in Myrna? Coming in a little bit. Oh, wow. Yeah, look at that. All right. Well, you got 183, and then we got that 180, 120, which we're going to try. Yeah, don't panic. If we get down to the 180, 120, let's see what happens from there. Keep it small. Still down 2 banana skins from here. Let's see what happens. 183 is probably a little too close right now. Yes. Yes. Twitter. We'll take a look. Boeing coming in. All right. I mean, Boeing, that was only a 50-cent move to get there. So 230, 220 Boeing, guys. That would be a really nice spot for that one. 230, 220 Boeing. Good morning, Gary. 230, 320. All right, let's take a look at Twitter. Yeah, Twitter's all over the place. Where are we on the daily? You know, Twitter could have another day down or two. I mean, if it breaks 54, that wouldn't be good. But that's a nice support level, too, if we get there. So first spot I would look at in Twitter is 54. All right. The bell rang. That's good. Let's see what happens. All right, 68's the first spot in BTX, but that's a little too close for me off the opening. Let's see what happens. Tesla. Tesla busted right through to 200. 733 Tesla, guys. If we could have got a spike down another $4, that's a little spot. Now, I might be not putting all these orders out, but that's a spot in Tesla, right around $700.50. It's good. Myrna, FU. Hey, your 183 would have worked, Sal. Let's see what the next move is, but it did spike up $1 off that. It's a little choppy right now, so let's see what happens. BTX, no pullback. Look at that, guys. It almost got to the 68.40 BTX, but that was a little early for a trend trade. 63 would be a really good spot. Let's see what happens. AGQ, no pullback. That could be setting up for a nice early trend. Let's keep our eyes on it. NVAX. Morning, everybody. If I can get the right symbol in. NVAX. All right, what do you got in NVAX, guys? 232.10 would be beautiful. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Neo. Neo. All right, I mean, it's down 50 cents, Neo. You want to try 39.90? 39.50 probably works better. In Neo this early. I mean, it just hit the 39.90. Got the 39.87. So that's a little spot. Again, it's early. Guys, we're looking at our pivot point up at 189. See if we spike all the way up there for a little short ski. If it breaks 189, it's going to 200. Yeah, I think it'll rest a little if we get to 189 fast. And I'm guaranteeing it probably pulls back from here anyway. Let's see what happens. Tesla, do we get it? Yeah, went a little bit below it, but all right, see what happens. It went $1 below. That's not really much in Tesla. You know, if you get a buck or two out of 10, oh, you got it for 80 cents already. You got it for $1 already. Nice, guys. Very nice. Oh, so it hit that, spiked up, and then went down. All right, good. All right. I think you get a couple of bucks out of it if it rallies from here. You know, there's your quick $1 anyway, early in the morning. You guys chickened out. Well, Sal, you chickened out on Myrna. What's wrong with you? I'll look at Donkey Kong in a minute. All right, let's look for another level in Tesla, guys. 696.20. If we break from here, all right? 696.20 in Tesla. Could be the next little spot. Yeah, I know. Still like the Myrna short if we do it now, guys. Give it a minute. What's BTX doing? Coming in a little. I mean, this could be a little spot if you get a bounce off BTX above 68, but we love 62.20 if we get down there. It got halted? Ah, see, that's what you got to be careful about in BTX. Cancel that. All right. You never know what the hell's going to happen in this thing from when it opens up again. All right, let's cancel Myrna. That ain't happening. GameStop. Whoa. Yeah, 170.20. GameStop. I have it out already. I like that. We spike down there and it holds. We can be a little aggressive. Yeah, you're right, Internet. I mean, we can start a little earlier next time. That's fine. I don't have a problem with that. This way we can go over everything that we're looking at. Right? I'm good with that. Myrna. I still like Myrna if we do it right now. I'm doing it small. Or was it close enough right there? Yeah. Now I don't like it. Look at that, though, guys and gals, right? If we could have got to that 189, we would have got a quick $1.50 out of it. If it goes back up there next time, I don't know if I'm so crazy about it, but I know that trade would have worked. Just didn't get there fast enough. Overstock coming in, guys. We got 80.20 and 79.25 overstock. All right. Let's go 79.30 in overstock. I like that. We spike down there. We can be a little aggressive. That's a good spot. 79.30 overstock. Yeah, I'll get the audio guy stuff in a little bit. Just seeing what's going on. Yeah, I don't know. We want to buy Myrna now. That I know. Cancel that on the bounce side. QQQ's coming in a little. There they are. All right. How about our BTX? Let's hold it. What's the indication in BTX? Let's see if we can get one, guys and gals. We got nothing. All right, let's put a little marker in BTX down at 58. If we open down $9, we won't commit, but let's have it out there. No biggie. Just let us know if we get there. Overstock bounce, you piece of poo-poo. We want to buy some Myrna, guys. You know, Solly talked us out of that 183 level. We should have been buying it. We definitely want to buy this one if we can get a pullback now. Playboy's up $2 and change again. Let's take a look. One thing we're not going to do, guys, okay? I am never going to force on a trade. Something lines up for us to do. Look at that Playboy, guys, on the short at 53.50. Right to the pivot point. You son of a beeswax. Look at that. Gave us $1 trade. NVAX, 221.60 daily. And we got a level down there. I mean, NVAX is sitting right on the pivot point here now. Why all these COVID stocks getting the smackdown? Is that what's going on here? I mean, we're $5 away from the moving average in NVAX now, and we're approaching a 20 RSI, right? How's the spread? Nah, the spread's $1. Forget about it. Can't do it. 221.26. All right, Gus, we're all over that. Too spready, though. All right, I'm with you. 221.30. I'll put a full order out there if we go down $5 from here. That's going to be fine. Coin up 7. And pulling back now. All right, so coin, you got 303.70 and 302 are the trend lines. I mean, I like 302 if we can pull back from that. That's good. We'll watch when BTX opens, if it hasn't opened yet. SPY's coming in a little bit there, Brandon. Yeah, we're coming in a little, so show me something that's coming in, man. Myrna? Yeah, we're not getting enough of a pullback in Myrna. You know, Myrna might hold the VWAP at 186.30. Guys, look at the short, missed by 12 cents. It went down $2. All right? $2. As soon as we put our order out in NVAX, it spiked up. Myrna, the trend is like 185. I like it. I like it. I like it if we get that. BTX open. All right. Well, now that it's calmed down, 62.25 is probably a spot, right? But it's probably going to bounce from here now anyway. Cancel that little 58 offer. Good morning, Igor. Riot. Let's take a look at Riot. Riot coming down from 44. Ooh. All right. Riot, we got 42.40 and 42. Kind of like that, guys. Let's do it both small. Riot, 42.40 and 42. This pop down would be nice. So we'll do small at 42.40. Bigger at 42. Good. Let's see if we get a pullback quick. BTX. Dead. I want him dead. Overstock. Airbnb. Overstock bounce. Can. OCGN ain't happening. AGQ ain't happening. GameStop ain't happening. PayPal. Kathy Woods is a mess. Why is she a mess? Again, guys and gals, first of all, I don't give a shit about anybody outside of this room. That's number one, least alone Kathy Wood. You can do this, Patty. It's not that difficult. It takes time to get used to. You got to learn all the technical analysis and stuff, but this isn't rocket science. It's really not. It just takes time. Apple's dead. Look, last week by this time we had 4 trades set up already, right? It's just the way it is. Again, we're not going to force anything to go on. BZH. Let's take a look. Now, BZH doesn't trade a lot of volume, and this whole move is about 30 cents, but it looks like a better buy than sell. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. UPST, that's one we haven't looked at in a while. Facebook, what do we got? 323 Facebook, good. Yes. Ain't gonna happen. No, let's put it out. Riot, you stink. Facebook 323. This is what we spend our whole day doing now. I have about 90 people in my room that are posting stuff that we're looking at. Boeing short 238.50. Yes. So basically, guys, for those of you who are just joining us, right? When a stock is going up, I'm looking for places to short it. And when a stock is going down, I'm looking for places to buy it. It's that simple. Based on the technical analysis that we use. Everybody uses different technical analysis. But it's that simple. Every time I put up a chart, where's my opportunity to buy it? Where's my opportunity to sell it? Waiting for 42 now in Riot. You promise I will, BK? I will. If I promised, I will do it. 188. Yes. That is a trend trade in Disney, 100%. If we get a pullback. JNUG. All right, JNUG is a trend trade if we get a pullback. Right? 89 looks good. OCGN getting a little leggy poo-poos. All right. I mean, I'm not chasing it up at $15, but now that it's setting up, maybe you get a pullback and you can buy a little bit. VXRT, let's take a look. VXRT. I need someone to type in the stocks for me. Anyone want to volunteer? Nah, I mean, we can't short VRTX. It's not worth it anyway unless you do a crap load of it. But I wouldn't be doing anything right now. Facebook bounce, of course. Boeing not getting there, of course. What's Myrna Burner doing? You see how Myrna, that was the absolute high sale, guys. All right. Missed it by about 12 cents. So what do we got coming in now? 185.06. Let's do a little Myrna early trend trade if we pull back. All right. 185.06 Myrna. After the beta. We always want speed, guys. 185.10 in Myrna. Up a little bit if we spike down right now. Fast as something hits one of our levels, the better. Going to make it a better trade. BTX. All right. I mean, we can try 62.30 in BTX. It didn't. It just got to 63.25. Missed it by less than $1. Wow. That would have been nice. Jeez Louise. Went up $2.50, right? In NVAX. Let me look. At 221 and change, NVAX? No. Oh, wow. All right. What price you get in NVAX? $221.30. All right, cool. All right. Give it a little time. I wouldn't panic out of this one. Let's see what happens. All right. Is the whole market coming in here a little bit, guys and girls? The whole market's coming in. We just got a little Myrna. Let's see what we're doing in Myrna. All right. We're in a little Myrna. What did we get in? 184.85, something like that. Okay. All right. Let's sell a little Myrna at 185.40 if we can. Try to get 60 cents on some. Yeah, the market's coming in a little bit. Let's give it a little room. Offering half at 185.40. That's what we got to get back above. Get back above 185.40. We could do a little damage. Oh, market's really getting a smackdown here, huh? Wow. 184.50 is a little spot in Myrna also. I kind of like that. All right, let's do this. Let's add a little Myrna at 184.50, and then we'll see what the next move is. And VAX. Yeah, I mean, RHE halted. Wow. All right, just have your stops in place, guys. All right, got a little more Myrna at 184.50. Average is about 184.90. Let's see what happens. Ooh, we just got some riot. All right, guys, just keep your stops. Myrna, if Myrna gets to 184, 183.90, just have it stop. We got a little riot. Need a little bouncy bounce in the market here, guys and gals. Let's see what happens. All right, so we'll sell a little Myrna now if we get back up to 185. And then we'll leave out 185.40. We need a little bounce here, guys and gals. Come on. Really? Wow, Myrna just spiked up to 184.90. Again, guys, just keep your stops. If we get stopped out, not every trade's going to work. Yes, keep your stop orders. I mean, Myrna got up to 184.95, you son of a beeswax. Gotta be kidding me. All right, should be out of Myrna. Oh, we lost 50 cents on the trade. NVAX bounced nicely. Wow. All right, we're in a little riot. Good. See what the next move is. Riot, if we get like 30, 40 cents, we'll sell some. Problem is the whole market just got the smackdown, right? No bounces in anything. Riot a dollar stop? No, you don't have to give Riot a dollar stop. Absolutely not. You give Riot like 30, 40 cents. That's it. But it's starting to bounce a little bit now. Sometimes I can't always go to my get my stops right away, guys. What are you guys doing in NVAX? Wow, nice bounce in NVAX. Holy mackerel. That is a bounce and a half. You got $1 out of NVAX. Very nice. Excellent. Excellente. Yeah, just keep Riot tight, guys. I wouldn't give Riot more than like 30 cents. Really. We'll look for levels below it. No. See if you got another level in Riot, but I would not give it $1. You don't give it $1. See what the next move is in Riot from here. If Riot breaks like 41.65, makes a new low, we just get out. Okay. I had my order to get out of Myrna at 184.50. Why didn't it take it? And if Riot gets back to 42, just sell half of it at break even. Not crazy about it. All I need is a miracle. What else, guys? UPS? is out of control. Hold on. UPS. Let me look. Yeah, I'm not crazy about this riot, guys. Who pointed that out? I'm at a riot. 40-60 riot. We go back in. 40-60 riot. 40-60. That I like. Be a little aggressive down there. Again, guys, it's all about keeping your stop orders close. We got a couple of paper cuts. It happens. Keep it tight. Yes, yes, yes. I told you I wouldn't risk more than 30 cents in riot. That was it. It's a 30-cent trade. Myrna, guys. You like that 180, 134 if we really get a spike attack? I like that. 180, 130, Myrna. We'll do it small. Same thing with a stop. The trick, guys, is when you're in losing trades is not to lose too much money on them. You know, we have a little paper cut. Not the end of the world. Twitter. But you're seeing it live in person. 53.30 Twitter. You like 54.30, Ken? I don't know. It's only 50 cents away from where we're trading. I don't know about that. I mean, you could try it here, but not crazy about it. Coin? What do you like in coin, guys? Coin. Oh, man. Look at that, guys, in coin. Did anyone get the coin? Exactly hit 302. Gave you a quick 90-cent bounce. Wow. We missed that one. Yeah, no, that was great. It exactly hit our relative strength line, our 65 EMA. All right, Riot's bouncing. Cancel that one down low. Facebook. 326.30 short Facebook. I like that. Yes, let's do it. No, not if you have an active day trading account, Persol. You don't have to do that. No. Remind me to talk about that a little bit later on before we get out of here, but no. All right, Facebook, 326.60 on this pop-up. If we do it right now. So we're looking to short Facebook now if it spikes up to the 65 EMA, which we just got. All right, we'll give Facebook a little room. Now the whole market's ripping up, right? Whack. So we'll have a 50-cent top in Facebook. Crazy. The market went from looking like crap to looking like a world champion in one fell swoop. That's good. Everything's bouncing now, guys. It's insane. The market just went from looking like they were going to crush everything to everything is ripping like a son of a beeswax. Whack. What the hell just happened in the market is what I want to know. Ah, look at the market, guys. The market just took off like a hot potato ski. Insane. Wow. Yeah, everything is just the opposite of what we were just doing. It's whack. Myrna, now you're going to buy Myrna at 183.50? Oh, this is sick. Hey, it's one of those days. I can't buy Myrna at 183.50 up here now. No way, no how. NVAC still turning around. All right. There is no way I'm buying Myrna up here. You know, face gets back to 60, 70, I'll buy it a little bit back. And nothing is pulling back now. It's insane. What a wacky market this morning, guys and gals. I mean, just crazy. Everything is up, down, sideways. All right, you should have got your stop in Facebook at 327, guys. Yes, 327, 50-cent stop. That's it. Stick to the stoppies. Everything is going bananas today. All I need is a miracle. Facebook, what do we got? Yes, Facebook, 328.25. Pop it out. Yes, yes, yes. 328.25 is good in Facebook. UPS. All right, time to sell some upside calls in UPS. I like it, guys. 215s for $1.25 is good. Is good. 215s for $1.25. Good. Do it. This thing is getting ridiculously stretched out. Playboy, Playboy, Playboy. Nah, there's nothing here in Playboy. Not until 56.90. 56.90. Boeing, Boeing, Boeing. Boeing, Boeing. Yeah, Boeing's setting up for a trend trade. Not bad. Not bad. 326.60 Facebook if you're still in it to cover. Get flat. It goes in that direction. All right. A couple of shenanigans. Boeing. Nothing. Myrna. Nah, nothing. This is a wild and crazy market, guys. Really. Sick. It's good. It's good volatility. Boeing. I don't know. You guys want to do trend trades now? This thing was down $2 lower. It went up $2. Now it's pulling back. I don't trust trends right now. I just don't do it. I don't trust them. Right? Yeah, T-Doc. You know, with these stocks that made so much, they were so much lower, how are we going to trust a trend trade on a pullback now? I don't see how we can. Penn, Donkey Kong, Tesla. Penn, that's a bloody mess. Donkey Kong. I mean, Donkey Kong, wasn't even a good short. There's not enough there. GameStop, Home Depot, Tesla, T-Doc. GameStop. Yeah, you want to try a little GameStop at 170.13? If we go right now, that'll be down $4. All right, do it small. 6 if we do it right now. Spread's not bad in this thing. 170.13. This popped down though. No green bar. Get in on Facebook at 324.50. Just now on the pullback in Facebook. Oh, down lower. Okay. Oh, nice. I hope you got out of it and took your trade. That was nice. Home Depot far from moving average. Yeah, it was up there, but it's a better trend trade now. Home Depot. Let me look at this UPS, guys. Pins. Pin 6480 was a little spot on the pivot point down there. ISM, big miss to the downside. So what does that mean? The market's going down now? Oh, that's why it went down. Wow. All right, cancel GameStop for now. Ain't happening. Bonds? Yeah, bonds ripping. Oh, maybe the recovery isn't as fast as everybody thought it was going to be, right? Tesla looks like a short, guys. I got nothing in Tesla now down to 676. That would be the spot. Snap. Snap-a-dappa. Again, Snap, same thing. It's sitting on a little level here. And then we got 59.20, which I really like. That would be nice. Now the spies are coming in. All right. Again, everybody who's watching, okay? The most important part of trading is having those stop orders, so we only have little paper cuts on the downside. Shut up, Solly. Nobody cares. Yes, I see murder. It's bouncing. Again, I'm having a stop order on every single trade we do, guys. Period. I'm not changing what I do because the stock rallies up $2 after we're in it. That's what day trading is. It happens. Nobody cares where you sold it. I got one guy in my room I'm ready to kick out. His name is Solomon, guys. He's been with me for 10 years. No, I'm not short. Yeah, let's lose money when we buy Myrna, and let's lose money when we short Myrna now. No, thank you. Leave it alone. Wait for another good setup. Oh, God. Well, the ISM was horrendous. I mean, really, really bad. For those of you who don't know, it's the manufacturing index, and it measures productivity in the country. And I guess it wasn't that good, but whatever. Only thing that matters is what the market does, ladies and gentlemen. News, none of that things matters. Nothing. Yes, Scott, we do that in the room. I have an expert on Thinkorswim that can walk anybody through anything they need as far as Thinkorswim is concerned. Yes, we do that. We get everybody who joins the room set up so that we're all looking at the same thing in our charts. Yes, 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 yes. Baidu. Nah, Baidu already went to 211.26. I don't like it. You can see we're here, what, 36 minutes? We're starting to lose volume in the market already. All right? But you're seeing it live, guys. You know, you don't make money on every trade. You don't make money every day. That's part of trading. You have little paper cuts, but we got a long day yet. Yeah, I mean, AGQ has been a beautiful trend all day since the opening, right? Now it's just consolidating and taking off. GameStop doesn't look great. No, you do not. Well, I don't know about global, but I don't have any money in Thinkorswim. I haven't had any money in Thinkorswim for 10 years, and I still get all the charts that we need. All set up and ready to go. And again, we can walk you through that process. Yeah, BABA looks great. Definitely a trend trade. 235 could be a little short if we get extended. Yes. FedEx and UPS both are. Let's look at that UPS now. Let me look at this UPS. Wanted to look at this earlier. Let's look at options. Sometimes I will sell a call. It is free to sign up, Pete. Once everybody gets into my room, if you guys want, I'm going to give everybody that option today. We can talk about all that stuff. Now, my room is filling up, but we can talk about all that stuff when you come in the room. I'll help everybody out who wants to be helped out. Lou, what options did you sell in FedEx? There's not a lot of premium in these things. You sold the 215s? I mean, if I was going to do anything, I'd sell the 215s for $1 for this week. And then we're short at $216, worst case scenario. And at 216, I don't mind being short this stock after this run up. So that's what I would do. Unless you go out a little further, yeah. But you sold the May 7th 215s. I like that. I like that. I like that. I like that. So worst case scenario, you're short at $216 to start a swing trade. I don't mind that at all. We're going to talk about it, Mr. Trader, before we get out of here, okay? And another thing you can't do that people will do now, right? When you have one bad trade, they start running back into another trade to get their money back. Never going to happen in this room. Ever, ever, ever. Yeah, Baba 235 is a nice short. I like that. This has been a crazy morning, right? Everything was so bad. Now it's so good. Just missed that SQ. Grant, if you come into the room, I'll help you out. Yeah, this was a big fake out this morning. Big fake out. Guys, let's keep looking for trades. I'm not going anywhere yet. We have plenty of time. Everybody in Benz, let's keep looking for trades. I promise you I will talk about all of that before we leave, okay? All right. Wow, Facebook getting stretched up at the 328 level now. Yeah, obviously it's a trend trade in Facebook. Yes. 328.30 set up for a little shorty right there. But we want to buy. Strong stocks, we want to be long. Weak stocks, we want to be short. All you guys are awesome. The fast pace makes me not second guess or holding too long. That's it, Jonathan. That's what it's about, right? Hold on to the winners, get out of the losers. Yeah, I mean, AGQ is getting a little stretched here, but not enough. Where are we on the daily? Nowhere. It's day one of a breakout in AGQ. Again, every single stock that we're looking at right now looks like a buy, right? Every stock, except Riot. But most stocks. Tesla, again, didn't Tesla look horrible this morning? Right, Bill? I mean, they smacked this thing down. It looked like the end of the world. And again, you can't be in a hurry to short now because this market's ripping up now, right? I like the UPS, guys. I like that. All right, I'm going to do one of them. Let me see. Let me put that up there. All right. I sold one of the UPSs. We'll see how the rest of the week goes. But I don't mind being short that stock at $216 to start a swing. We'll see what happens. Pins bounced off that 64.80. Let's look. I did it at $1.02, Joe. You can offer it at $1.04. That's fine. Yeah, I mean, we said pins. You know, it didn't give a big trade off there. First time I think I caught the pivot right. There you go, Scott. Nice. It gave you 50 cents. That's all right. Right? Yeah, Joe, I sold an upside call on UPS. Sold. So I don't mind being short at $216. PayPal. All right. Good. PayPal could be a little short coming up at 264.65. Stretching out a little bit. Boeing. The pivot point worked in Boeing. 234.50. I am looking at both chats, Brad. I got you. Yes. Disney. I just saw Scout PayPal. I am, Brad. Yeah, I mean, Disney bounced nice off the 9 for $1 trade. Right? Nice. Neo. Yeah, I'm answering both chats. I have 90 people in a room and 500 people in here, and I'm okay. Neo's a trend trade. Could be a short at 41.80. Yeah, Buffalo, sometimes you can't. Sometimes you can't. Brad, I'm watching all. Boeing double bottom. Why would we buy Boeing double bottom? The rest of the market is good, and this one's horrible. I guess you could try it. It fits, right? In Boeing, it's $3. It's been a half hour. 233.90. Oh, there's a delay on YouTube. Really? Are you getting it first or it's second? Yeah, I mean, AGQ could have been something we jumped in early. Yes, it was a beautiful. I mean, it never really gave a shot, though, Sal. 9:30, it was sitting at 48. Getting a little stretch. We get to like 40, 50, 50, 50, something like that. I like that. Netflix. Yeah, Netflix just spiked up. Looking much better on the buy side. Well, in the room, we can talk about all that too, kittens. The right brokerage to have, the different kind of trading accounts. We can talk about all that stuff. And we will. Facebook. I mean, Facebook's dead now. It was a great short, right? Anyone get the short in Facebook? 328.20 off the pivot point. Gave a nice dollar. Boom, chaka, laka, laka. Whack. I just think, my personal opinion is that we're going to have a decent correction in this market within the next couple of months. I can't tell you the day, but things are just too good. Things can't be good this long. Yes, that is correct, Alan. But we could always trade around it, so it's not. And I'll explain. You can have a stop order in this just like we would any other trade, right? So, if this thing goes to $1.50, I can just get out of it and lose 50 cents. And then look for another spot. So every trade that we do, we can still have a stop order, right? I mean, we're short at $1.02. It's trading at $1.06. So you can have a stop order like you would in any other trade that you do. And if it starts getting close to 215, we can just buy the stock back, and you can make a spread. Yes, all those things, Alan, we can do. Market's never going down again, ever. Ever, ever, ever. Werner is not a short unless we do a double top ski. It is not a short. No. Neo short 41.70. Yes, Thinkorswim paper account is 15 minutes delayed, Brad, but there is a way to get live trading without it costing you any money. You can get it. I like the short in Neo at 41.80, guys. Yes. Let's do it. I could lose $20 in this UPS and just take it off if I want. So we'll see what happens. Nothing goes up forever. That's one thing we've learned. Except the stock market. That never goes down. eBay. 57.40 could be a little short ski. Yes. Unless you're short, then you're in trouble. Then you're in trouble. Netflix. Well, what hasn't reversed? That's what I want to know. What hasn't reversed? Netflix. Wow. 518.20 could be a little short ski in Netflix, guys. That'll be straight up $6. Kind of like that. Netflix hasn't reversed, really. Broke 515, going to 520. Well, I would short it at 518 for a trade, but it's not going in that direction now, so forget about it. Not happening. It's a melt up. Yeah, and why is Boeing so bad with the rest of the market ripping up, right? Elon on Saturday night, buy Dogecoin. Yes, buy Dogecoin. I'm not recommending you buy Dogecoin. I'm not saying anything. See, the thing with the option, guys, we could be losing $25, $30, $45, $50. We don't have a position until the stock gets to 216. So you don't have to worry about it. The P&L doesn't mean anything. Baba. I mean, again, do we want to short anything now? This market is just rippy, dippy, kippy, whippy, dippy. Sick. Just to answer, I have a large margin account, requires 25,000 units. Yes, that is correct. That is correct. Neo, no good. We ain't getting it. All right. We ain't getting there. Yeah, Boeing's very weak and the rest of the market's strong. I don't like Boeing. Not on the long side anyway. Myrna, we can short a double top. The only time Myrna went down was when we had a position in it, right? That was it. Sometimes that happens. It is what it is, right? Hey, like I said, not every day is going to be a home run. When you're actually trading live in real time, right? We'll short a double top in Myrna. 189. Let's get it out there. 188.90. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. That'll be really stretched out on the upside now. Facebook, floating around, not doing anything. Netflix shareholder meeting, 6-2. All right. Solly, I don't know what's going to happen in the next 10 minutes. You were worried about what's going to happen in a month? I just want to trade. OCGN spiked up, spiked down. Nah, you could have grabbed a little 1480 right there, but I don't know. Not crazy about it. PayPal double top. Wasn't PayPal making a bottom? Now it's making a top. This market is whack today. Yeah, PayPal 266.10. Not the double top, but we have a pivot point up there. Is good. 266.10 PayPal short. HGEN is a beautiful for a bounce. Let's look. 1660 is a little spot there, Jacrita. Right? That's our pivot point. Let's look daily, see if it's doing anything. That's also the daily support level, down $4, and then 1510. If you're looking a little longer term, those are the levels. Let's give Myrna another minute now. Yes, it's sitting right on daily support now. That is correct. Even Apple's off to the races today. Wackadoodle. It's wackadoodle time. We're starting to lose volume. Everything is getting so stretched out, but I'm not running into short anything, guys. I mean, we're kind of just, Baba 235.10, if we went straight there, probably would have worked. Not an easy market to trade today. The one time things went down, we were in them. JNUG is definitely a trend trade. Yes, it's looking good long. We're coming to a little resistance here in JNUG though. 93.50 is daily. And I know I'm going a little fast here, guys. We go much slower in the room. You have plenty of time to realize everything. I never slide anything in there on anybody and sneak into a position and then tell everybody I'm in it, like a lot of other rooms. Boeing will double bottom work now? Get out of here, Tech. Yeah, look at that. So it was 233.90. It got to 233.80 and gave you a 60-cent trade. Nice. Very nice. Just picked up Twitter. All right, let's take a look. All right, here's a perfect example of a chart. And that's okay, Buffalo. I don't tell anybody what to do or what to buy. I would rather be short Twitter than long. I'll explain why, what my thinking is. It's in a downtrend. Until this stock can show strength above one of the trends, to me, it's not a buy. Now, we have a little support level down here at 53.30. That could work, right? That's our 5-minute. And we go to the daily chart now on Twitter. And again, everybody trade on their own, right? It's fine. 54 is a gigantic level on a daily chart in Twitter. Look at that. So next real level I have is 49.20. So let's play it this way. If it can stay above 54, it's probably okay. If it can't stay strong above 54, I'm not saying today, but I think we can see $49 at some point. Netflix gave $1 off the pivot. Yep. All right. Anyone get the Netflix? We said 518.30, right? Yeah, a couple guys in the room got it. Very nice. There you go, Troy. There you go, Solomon. Beautiful. Nice job. So again, guys and gals, I don't do every single trade that sets up, but look, I mean, people in the room are a little bit green today because there were 2 trades that set up that I didn't do that worked spectacularly. Netflix just gave you, what, $1.50 off that short level. Boom. Gorgeous. Well, look, Bill, we're talking about 2 different things, right? Okay. So we're talking about trading and we're talking about, investing. I don't think any company is better than another company. All I want to do is trade. I have my long-term stuff. Everybody does. That takes care of itself, right? But what we're concentrating on here is day trading. Perfect example was the Netflix. Look at that. I mean, gave you $1.50 off that little resistance level. So that's what we're doing here. Looking to make little amounts of money on every trade that we do. With the 2 trades I didn't do, the room is green right now. So everybody's making a couple of shenanigans, very small. And look at, Tesla couldn't get above our trend line at 702.80. Just gave you a $4 trade from that, right? Anyone get Tesla on the short, guys? Look at that. I mean, perfect. 703 was the spot. It gave you $5 off that level. $5. Netflix selling on way up. I didn't even know you were in Netflix, solid. Very nice. Yeah, Tesla 696.20 is the pivot point. That could be a good spot, right? 696.20 for a bounce. United Airlines. I wouldn't ever bother with this stock. The whole thing's about a 50-cent range for the entire day. Well, it's not easy to trade Netflix. I don't recommend my traders trading Netflix. It's too expensive. Well, it's got plenty of volume, but it's just too expensive a stock. If you did 100 shares, you made $150 on it. What did it take? A minute? Minute and a half? That's what we're looking for, right? Look, Myrna cost us today. If we didn't have Myrna trade today, we'd be doing very nicely in the green. So we're even. It's all right. Stuff happens. Yeah, I don't even like Myrna double top now. Home Depot not stopping. Yeah, Home Depot not stopping. UPS not stopping. There's nothing stopping. There ain't no stopping us now. We're on the move. How do you look at a trade that is sideways in between pivot points? Good question, Stooby-Doo. We usually don't look at it. We need movement. We need movement in our stocks to hit our levels in order for trades to set up. That's the bottom line. Facebook. Otherwise, we're not getting involved. All right, Facebook, we got 326.80 and 326.50. And look at Facebook, guys, right? A couple of people in the room just got this one, the short. Gave you a nice $1. So we got 326.50 and 325.75 in Facebook. I like the lower one. 325.75 for now. Yes, Brent, we will do that later. I will get you set up. 325. Hey, any of you guys coming into the room right now? All of a sudden, I got a big influx of people in my room. You guys figure out how to get there? I think some people in Benzinga figured out how to get into the room. Right, if you can do some options on Mac that aren't close. Right. Do you prefer 65-200 or a pivot point? It depends, Ken. I'm going to give it to you guys before we leave. Okay? Before we get out of here today, I will give you guys the link. You took the course with me at T3. Wow. That's a blast from the past. Holy mackerel. Nah, I cancel Facebook. That ain't happening. That is not happening. And it's not a matter of being smart enough. This has nothing to do with being smart. It really doesn't. It's about learning the setups. You're starting a little swing in UPS at 220. All right. Thank you, Sally. That's a nice story. If it gets up another $8, I'll join you. All right, we are starting to lose volume, that's for sure. Now I'd like to see another trade setup. Everything that looked like it was coming in is just spiking above all levels. They're not shortable. It's whack. Overstock. And the bottom line is, do we want to buy stocks that are going down now? If the stocks are going down now, there's really something wrong with them. Thank you, DG. Hit my goal. I'm out. Nice job, Chris. Excellent. Do you put in a limit order price or just use market price? 90% of the trades that we do are limit orders. Limit orders. Because we're waiting for something to happen in one of our stocks. So 90% of the time, we're putting in limit orders. Why is space so weak? Space, the final frontier. UPS might be setting up for a far from moving average trade soon, right? Quit playing games with my heart. My heart. 215 is a spot. Myrna. What do we want to do in Myrna? I don't know. I'm not buying Myrna on a trend trade now. Not for me. I just, again, I'm not doing this for anybody. I'm just shorted a little UPS 10 shares just so I can track it. So I know where it's trading, but it's not a trade. Yeah, OCGN is setting up for a nice trend trade now. Yes. So we got 1480 would be a good spot to get in. I don't think we can short it. So I don't think we should short it. Yeah, Baba, we got an 80 RSI now, guys, but we're not even $2 away from the moving average. So it's not a trade. It is not a trade. Not a trade. It's a better buy, like everything else. Coin. Except for coin, right? Coin very weak. It bounced off the 65. It's been sitting there all day. So it's not a trade. Not a trade. I don't know if I'd buy the 9. No. I would not buy the 9 in coin. No. I see limit order. I always get missed out on a limit order. Yeah. The sweet spot is where our moving averages tell us to get into the trade. That's the sweet spot. NVAX looks like crap. I would not be buying NVAX. Brett, I will get you set up. Okay. Is David here today? My David, David's away for a couple of days. We'll take care of it. Don't worry about it. Sell short NVAX. No, I mean, if it breaks all these levels, maybe, right? It definitely looks like a better short than a buy, Joe. How long have I been trading? 35 years, Yahid. 35 years I've been doing it. It's the only thing I know how to do. I worked on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange for 20 years, 18 years. And I retired when I was 39 years old. And for the last 10 years, I've been trading and teaching people how to trade. Pfizer, PayPal. PayPal. Now, PayPal's right in the middle of everything now. It's not a trade, right? Kind of just sitting in the middle of everything. Setups are not working today. Well, I think we had 4 trades, made money on 2 and lost money on 2. If you got them all, the room's up a little bit. Troy, just if you're doing something besides what we're not doing, just let me know. You got inside information, and also you live in a mansion. I have no inside information. Absolutely not. And I do not live in a mansion. I have always lived well within my means, guys. Oh, yeah, Troy, I am with you. Market is hard to read today. I am 100% with you on that. Yes, it is. Yeah, there's just less setups today. Yes. No, when I retired, guys, at the end of 1999, I worked for Spear Leeds and Kellogg. And Spear Leeds and Kellogg got bought by Goldman Sachs for $6.5 billion. So I was a tiny little partner. I did okay. This is what I love to do. So we make things very affordable for everybody. And now, market's kind of dead. We're flattening out to nothingness. Facebook, I mean, do we trust the trend in Facebook now? Right? Oh, P.S. Yes, someone in my room just pointed out I was married and my ex-wife did very, very well. So, no, Yahid, we don't make a trade unless it sets up for us to make a trade. That's the bottom line. Some days we get 10 trades. Some days we get 2 trades. So, but I'm never going to trade just to trade. Yep, BNTX got down to the pivot point. No, I mean, look, a couple of days last week, people in the room had 7, 8, 9, 10 trades, This looks like a day to me now. We're probably just going to, all these things are probably going to settle in and probably just, bounce up for the rest of the day. That's what it looks like to me. Market's very, very strong again. Now, again, this is a horrible looking stock. It's just in a terrible downtrend. Again, doesn't mean it can't, bounce up from here, but it's a better short than buy. Really need to get this Twitter back above that 54 level. Yeah, it bounced a little off the 53.50, but big deal. Not much. American Express. American Express is a trend trade. Why American Express is weak and UPS is so strong? I guess they're selling American Express and buying UPS and FedEx. I don't see anything in this. It's kind of just sitting here. I don't like it anywhere. It's only a 50-cent move to hit here. Sitting in the middle of all the moving averages. OCGN. Yeah. All right. I mean, you could be in a little OCGN, 1480, 1470. You're getting a nice bounce off that already, right? That worked nicely. Facebook pivot point. Ugh. How about 325.80, Ken? Again, the stock was so low. Now it's so high. It was so low. Now it's not high. I don't know if I trust anything, right? 325.80, but at least we're down $2.50. Let's try it small. All right. Facebook. I don't think anything's safe today. I'm not feeling it. I think everything is just chopped city right now. Chopping around everywhere. I'm not going to force anything on. INSN halted. Let's look. INSN. INSN? ISNS. ISNS. Oop, 10% rule. All right. Ethereum Classic. Is that a Bitcoin? Do I want to do Tilray options again? I don't think so. I think all the news, look at Tilray. They were all waiting for this merger to be announced, right? We bought those at 48 cents and sold them for over $1 last week. This stock looks like crap now. I mean, absolute crap. That's a classic buy the rumor, sell the news, right, guys and gals? Okay, we have a 9, a 15, a 65, and 200. Muhammad. And they're all exponential moving averages. 9, 15, 65, and 200. In Facebook, Troy. Where'd you get in Facebook? We missed the 325.80. Damn. So I'm going to cancel that now because we came close. Damn. 325.80 would have given us, you missed it by 7 cents, right? Now I'm not crazy about if we pull back down there. All right. So that would be my stop now. Again, guys, I'm having a difficult time with this market right now. I don't know what I trust and what I don't trust. All these stocks were $3 lower. They went up $3, right? And now they're going down again. So I don't know what I trust. Myrna, trend trade, earnings on 5-6. What do I need to know when the earnings are to do a trend trade? I don't need to know the earnings. Baidu has lots of spots. All right, Jeremy. The question is, again, guys, do we trust trends in these things now after they were so freaking below here, right? It's just tough right now. Tough. I mean, 210.60, I guess we can try Baidu, right? Oh, I got to sit up a little bit. Oh, HMHC. HMHC. I don't see anything in that. What's Bitcoin doing? Coming in a little bit. No trade. VXRT bottomed. I don't know about that. It's not doing anything. There's no range. 810 would be a good spot in that. Reminder to talk about the wash rule. Yeah, we just got started, Tom. Yeah, the spiders do look like that. They look like a cardiogram. That's when you know it's hard to trade, right? When the spiders look like a cardiogram. This is when you see how real traders trade. Thank you. Yeah, again, Mavis, I think it's all over for Mavis. This thing's done. They bought this thing up to $28. You know what the next level in Mavis is? $6.86. That's the next level. Boom, chakalaka. Trying Baidu small. What price are we trying Baidu small? Let's look. All right, where are you getting? Where are you getting it, Troy? We got 211.30. We're right on. We got 211. We got 210.60. I'll try it small at 210.60. We spike down right now. Give it a crack. If you're in a little higher, add at those levels and do it small. That's all. I like the 210.60. If you got a little on the trend at 211.20, all right, then you got 211 and 210.60. What are the values for your pivot lines? Pivot points go in automatically, Tom. If you have Think or Swim, I can help you with that. I'll show you in a minute. Yeah, Clove's a downside trend, but there's no money to be made in Clove. It's a $9 stock. No likey. Clove is dead money now, guys and gals. There's nothing to do in it. I mean, a couple of great things, guys, right? So anyone who purchases the course, okay, which we'll talk about in a few minutes, is getting continued mentorship every Thursday night with us. We had our first one last week. It was great. And we've discounted the course by 20% only for Benzinga people and only for this week. That's number one. I'll talk about it again before we leave. And then I'll give everybody the opportunity to come into the room and hang out for the rest of this week. Kind of slowing down. We're kind of losing volume now. And this is what happens after an hour. UNP, I'm not seeing anything. Union Pacific's kind of just hanging. It's not doing anything. Not crazy about it either way. Even the questions are starting to slow down now, right? BZH. Beezer Homes. All right, all-time high. Look at that. Nice looking chart. Daily, weekly. Yeah, I mean, this is part of everything else that's going on that's good, right? The whole builders. You're telling me the website link didn't work? Scooby-Doo? It should have worked. Maybe someone just didn't let you in the room. No, everybody else got in. We'll make sure it works this week. We'll make sure it works this week. Yeah, guys, they just posted the thing to buy the course. Again, 20% off for everybody. We'll talk about it in a couple of minutes before we get out of here. AMD. What are we looking at? Again, AMD is in a nice downtrend, right? Breaking down out of the base, it's probably a better short than a buy. If you twisted my arm. If you twisted my arm. Yeah, I don't know what BTX did to be up 879,000% this month. I have no idea. $8 stock. Yes, the course is at your own pace, bro. You get it. You have the course forever. Yes. Yep. Yep. You go at it at your own pace. And we get together every Thursday night to talk about it and answer questions for everybody. So you get continued mentorship. Period. It's a beautiful thing. Yeah, all right. We'll see if the QQQs hold this level. Right? Yeah, I mean, Ken, think about it. It's basically what we do here. Yes, Long Island accent. Grew up on Long Island. Yes. Married, lived in New Jersey. Married again, lived in New York. Retired and came to Florida. But definitely grew up on Long Island. Yes. Yeah, Ken, you know, Melissa's from Brooklyn. Nice. Clove. 15 call clove. $2.45? It cost that much? Ah, Brett from Southampton. Excellent. Kenny's from Yonkers. Martin, anything that we're gonna be leaving Benzinga in about 5-10 minutes. Everybody who's in the room, I'll answer any questions that you have in the room. Okay? Don't worry about that. We'll take care of it. All right. Let me show you guys a couple of things. Will you upload new videos in the course site? Gary, no. The course site is the course site. The course is the course. Of course. Plantier. It's got 6.5 hours worth of content in it already. You don't need any more than that. It's day trading, it's swing trading, it's options trading, it's everything. All right, let's look at Plantier. I mean, everybody's been talking about Plantier for months now, right? This chart looks like crap. It's horrible. Another Kathy Wood special, right? It's a horrible looking chart. At $20, I'm interested in Plantier. Do I like this long term? Yes. But the chart looks horrible. That's the daily. That's the weekly. So, you know, I'm just going by technical analysis, right? My daily support level is 2065. That's probably where I would start a trade. 2065. And then my weekly is 1823. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. Those are the places I'm looking at. All right, cancel Baidu. Taking forever. Yeah, I don't like it. All right, let's talk, guys. I'm going to tell you guys both things right now. All right. Let me me share my screen with this thing, and I'll show you the course, and then I'll talk to you guys about getting into the room. We'll be okay. The market's kind of dead now anyway. All right, can everybody see our course, Wall Street Global Trading Academy? Give me some number ones if you can see the course. Jeff, you're always going to know what I really think. I don't lie to anybody about anything, for better or for worse, okay? And I'm with my guys for 5.5 hours a day. So, all right. So here's the course. Let me show you what we're doing for you Benzinga peeps, and only for you Benzinga pinks. And this is going to be the last week we're doing it. My room was filling up. Okay, so here we go. We're giving 20% off for anyone who's coming through Benzinga. It's normally $500. It's $400. That's number one. Let me show you what the course entails, because this is the best thing I've ever done. So once you sign up, you're going to go into the members area. You'll give them your logon and password. Boom. Okay. Every Thursday night, you're going to click this link at 5 p.m. It's going to bring you into our Zoom meeting. You're going to get continued mentorship for as long as we own the course. Just signed up last Thursday, halfway through the course, very straightforward. Participated in the mentor chat for 85 minutes. Yeah, we were there for an hour and a half. Gary really liked the course. It's great, guys. This is the best thing I've ever done. I did a course with Investopedia 5 years ago. That's antiquated compared to this. That's done like $4 million in sales. But this is crazy. So we start with stock market basics, language of the stock market. The best thing about this, guys, don't be intimidated if you've never traded before. We start from the absolute beginning. Market terms, long, short, money management, which is the most important thing we will ever talk about, guys. Trading is not about the X's and O's, as it is much more about what to do when you get into a stock, when to stop losing money, knowing when to stop losing money when you're making money. Chart basics, we're going to help you set up your charts, moving averages, our 5 trading techniques. We're adding swing trading, which is great. I didn't put this in any video I've ever done. Swing trading is beautiful. And we do that a bunch in here. Options. And we even throw in Bitcoin. And you come in every Thursday night. Well, Rich, if you use the proper technical analysis and money management skills, that gives you the edge, okay? Look, we lost a little money today. It's probably the first day we lost money. It's the first day I've ever lost any money with you guys. Me. But the other guys in the room made a couple of bucks because they had more trades than I set up. But it's live. There's no bullshit, okay? This is what it is. This is trading. But I guarantee you, we had an 88% win rate for the last 2 months. I'll lower it a little and say 85. Okay, but we do have losing trades. Losing days we do have. We haven't had too many of them in the last 4 months, but it happens, right? That's the truth. So that's the course, guys. This is great. You'll have it forever, and you come with me every Thursday night. Okay? Yeah, we do some basic joined last weekend, so did not get the kiss down. Kevin, I'll take care of you. Kevin joined last week and mistakenly kicked the 3 payments, so did not make the discount. Make sure you do the Kevin, just do 2 payments then, and I'll take care of the balance. Don't pay the 3rd payment. All right? Do you hear me, Kev? Don't make the last payment. All right? My treat.
Dave, how we doing?
We're doing good. I'm just going to go over how to get everybody in the room now. Okay? So we showed the course. Everybody who wants that, go sign up.
We got about 2 minutes here. So
I'm doing it right now. I don't need 2 minutes.
Okay.
All right. Just post this for everyone, Aaron. Okay? Greenroom-live.com. You'll use password green15. You will download Webinato. And you will enter the room. That's it.
You got it. And yeah, I was surprised.
Live.com.
This is the first day I've ever seen you read on this channel before, but you know what?
Hey.
It happens. These days happen.
Right. That's exactly right. I'm kind of glad it happened. So everybody's not spoiled and thinks all we do is make money every single day. It happens. That's real trading, right? That is real trading, Aaron.
And yeah, I mean, as you can see, David's not using a paper account here or anything. He's doing real money, you know. not too much. You know what is that? So we lost $109 today. That's something we can't make up tomorrow.
It's one trade, one good trade. That's all.
All right, well, all y'all out there in Zinger Nation, for y'all that want to hang around, we do have Betsy Cohen coming up on SPAC Attack next. She's been a part of like 8 or 9 different SPACs, so she's going to be able to give some good insights on the SPAC world. So let's hang out for that. And other than that, David, are we going to be back tomorrow or Wednesday? What's the plan?
Let's talk a little bit later, but tomorrow's probably going to work.
Okay,
I'll let
sounds
you
good.
know for sure later on.
We'll talk later this afternoon.
Okay, the site, greenroom-live.com. That's it. All right, Aaron, I'll talk to you later this afternoon.
I'm posting it one more time for all y'all out there. All right, David.
All right, thanks for having me, Aaron.
No problem. Bye.
Bye-bye.